All right. Good morning, good afternoon, wherever you're watching me from. Thank you for joining my channel. Okay, so today I'm just going to be teaching you something very simple that professional would not teach you. There are some secrets, there are some leaks, there are some runs and riffs that they used to do that they will never teach you. But in this piano lesson that we're going to do today, I'm going to teach you some little secret that you need to know how to sound like a professional. Okay, let's go. Okay, so like I said, life. What I want to do is just 1, 6, 2 and 5, 4 and 3, 6, 2, 5 again. You know your normal life is so the groove. I'll read it again. 1, 6, 2, 5, 4, 3, 6, 2, 5, 1. Okay, so let me just combine the chords. So I have something like this. 1, 6, 2, 5, 4. Okay, so the chord combination, let me just break it down. So the first chord is, which is your G, C, E, which is your inversion for C. Don't forget your inversion, very, very important. Again, 1, 2, 3, the last inversion for C. So I did that with my 6. Then I resolved on 5. So I have something like this. So we call this chord combination. I'm doing 2 different chords from different families. So I have my 6 here. Instead of doing 6 straight away, I did 5. So it's called a chord combination. So your 5 is your normal G chord, which is your G, B, D. So I did 1, last inversion of for C, with 6 and 5. Then I did 2 and 4. Okay, so I'm going to do it again. 1, 6. 1 and your 6 and 5 chord combination. Your 2 and your 4. Your 4 is F, A, C. So I have something like this. 1. So on my left hand, I have my G, I have my D, and I have my G again. So I have something like this now. So 1, 6, 2, 5, 4, 3. Another chord combination. This is an inversion of for G. So we have 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So that one is going to go with this guy, which is your 3. Your 5 and 3. Then back to your 6 again. Back to your 2 and 4. Okay. 3 and 5. So what you're going to combine with this guy, which is your 3, is you have your D, you have your G, and you have your B. So we're going to have something like this. Okay, so let me break this last one down. Okay, so I have something like this. that chord. So on my left hand, I'm doing A, I'm doing E, and also the last chord, the last note, which is G. Then I'm combining it with this guy. I have C sharp or D flat. I have F, and I have C. Okay, or you can just do C sharp, F, A sharp or B flat, and C. You do it together with this chord. So it gives you this professional sound. Don't forget how to sound like a pro. So we have something like this. Don't forget. About your 5 and 4. So basically all I'm doing is just chord combination. I'm not just going to the chord directly. I'm trying to play two different chord family at the same time. So I'm going to do it again. Don't forget your 6 and 5, okay? Your 2 and 4. Then you resolve on 5, 5 and 4. This is your 5, a version of G and 3. Then this guy, your 6. You have your C sharp, F, A sharp or B flat, and C together with your 6. Then back to. So let me just run everything together. So you're going to have something like this. C, D, E. This one introduces the song. So so that's just basically what I want to teach you today, how to sound like a pro. You know, I said at in the beginning of my lesson that there are some things that the professional will not tell you. So when you know how to, it's not as if they are doing that much, it's just that they understood what they are doing, they understand the chord family, how to put those chords together. Okay, thank you. God bless you for joining my channel. Stay blessed.